So this is going to be the introduction for the scalable design system, and we made this whole system for three main reasons. The first one is the higher income, because by making the right visual decisions, our message reaches the right people in our audience. And the second one is that the confident company representation. We seen with many of companies who we worked with that if the designs and the branding and the marketing not a coherent, fully great machine, then this can be a problem for confidently represent the company through the sales pitches, through the marketing operations. And the third one is the more efficient operation, because if we have everything all together and then we have all this by systemized, then it's a much more easier way to using these designs or photos or videos every day. And also it's cost effective as well, because if you plan out everything well, then it's much more easier to photo shoot everything in a less time, or make just one shooting day instead of a lot of them during the day or the week or the month or the year. And also the same with the designs that we can do. So in here you can see that this concept came from the UX design, and we put it in the marketing sphere. That firstly you have these atoms. These atoms are the fonts, the main characteristics, the main colors and shapes and everything in your brand, and these can be put together for smaller pieces, like how a shape and a word and the font and the photo works together. And then we make empty templates for this, like the social media templates and main stuff for the photo shooting, where you can do every time the same settings with more effective work, and from that the final product can made. So basically the concept is about that we making all the elements, and then we make the templates as well for you, so you can use your own elements in your own templates during the day and the week, and when they come together, then it's getting more efficient. The whole process is in three phases. Depends on how your company is in his or her lifetime. Depends on how you would like to connect with your company. Then there's a discovery phase, foundation phase, and the day-to-day operational and level up phase. In the discovery phase, first we have a discovery call when we getting know better your company and your vision and mission as well. So then we can connect you in a deeper level. Then we make marketing and branding strategy in each of these workshops, and there we come up with the frameworks where you can define that how many money and where you would like to spend for the results that you would like to achieve, and also because of our experience we can help you to think about what is the best platform, what is the best tool that we can use for your goals. And also in the branding workshop, we need to define your tone of voice, and we need to develop the whole mood board and the whole brand during this process. And then we start planning this marketing strategy and branding strategy. And from these, you have the documentations and the playbooks of how to do it, and what's the whys between and behind the action steps that we need to do. And then in the foundational phase, we put together a brand book where everything about your company is written down. It contains the visual and the verbal stylings and hierarchies and everything. Then we give you a marketing strategy that contains for where and how you need to appear on the market. And also the third one here is the component library. That is huge library. I will show you some examples where we collect everything together that is visual or verbal things. So during the day-to-day operations, we just need to getting things from this library, and we don't need to build everything from scratch all the time. And also if you have your inner colleague or marketing colleagues, then they can also help you to make everything based on our templates, and you don't need us in all the time if it's more cost or time efficient. And from then we making a marketing second brain that is similar than the second brain things that's nowadays so popular and in the company development as well. So you will have your own Notion board with everything from your brand, and also your huge Google Drive with the brand book, the marketing strategy, and the component library as well. And then the day-to-day operation is going to be the design works, the social media works, the web designs, the photo shoots, the brand videos, and the media buying as well. So it looks like when the marketing strategy is finalized, then this will be in this place where we making all these assets in the marketing and branding phases for give you this library. And from this library we will know the marketing plan from the year starts to the year ends, and we will know where and what we need to use for the most efficient communication. So for the component library, it's about the typography and everything about that. Then also we have the color palette for the whole company, what we can use in everyday designs. And also you can here see that we have different colors for the icons, the actions, the buttons, the text, and everything that is our designers make. And then, for example, in the elements, you can see here how many buttons we can do, and all the status of these buttons are here. And then it's getting complicated. That's the phase that I showed here when you putting together these atoms and making molecules like buttons, like action steps and cards and everything. And from here you can use it for the whole design in the page where everything comes together. And here's the same in the web designs, and the same method goes when it's about the flyer design or anything. And in the brand books you can see that the concept, the mood board of the brand, also the main components of the brand, or the main parts, and the logo, the made of the logo type, then the patterns, the illustrations, all the fonts and where you can get them, the colors, and why we choose that colors, and the born of them, also the main design files, and the percentage of the color uses, mock-ups for how you can use this for your brand. And also the main thing is that if you don't have something or you are in the rebranding phase, we can start from scratch and getting know from zero. But if you have anything and you are in the process of the growing for the next level, so if it's not a new product or something new, then we can do it like from the foundation phase and just collect your brand book, the marketing strategy and component library. Or if you have the component library, we just need to do the brand book and the marketing strategy. So it's something that is also modular. So we can start from the discovery phase. And if we see in the discovery code that you have everything, then we can jump on the search section and we can see that what you need for the next phases. But that's the whole thing, and you can choose where you want to start.